YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the TaoTronics Active Noise Cancelling Bluetooth Headphones. They offer these in different colors. This is the regular black version, but they also offer it in a blue, which just has the cups of the headphone as a blue. They have a totally pink, so you can get this totally in pink. You can get the red version, which has, again, red on this part of it. Or you can get the silver, which would be all silver. The headphones are fully adjustable on each side. You got the right and the left. It also marks on the side whether it's left, which is that one, or right, so you can't go wrong with stereo. The cushioning itself is very comfortable. It's foam, but it's covered in this nice covering there. And the headphones on the inside are very cushioned. You have your volume switches here, and if I'm wearing this, this is the way it goes. So the volume switches are in the back. You got plus for up, minus for down. Over here, you have a micro USB port, which will have a little light right here to show you that it's charging, and it'll turn off when it's fully charged. On the front of the headphone, you have the active noise canceling button here. So when you have it away from the ANC, it means it's off. When it's towards it, it's on. The on-off switch is right here. You just hold it down to turn it on. Even though these are Bluetooth wireless headphones, they offer the option, and they include an 1/8 inch cable to go into regular 1/8 inch players. So that'd be right here in this package. So you can actually use these wired or wireless, whatever your taste. It also has a microphone for Bluetooth if you're going to take a call through the headphones. They include an 1/8 inch adapter. They also have a micro USB cable, which is how you charge this, through the port right there. I used it, so therefore I took it out of the package. Just trust me, it does have one. They give you a manual on how to use the headphones with all the good information in there. And they say if you want an extended 18 months warranty, to go online and register the product, and also tell them about your experience buying the product. The headphones themselves are very comfortable. I can hardly hear me talking outside of this, and they're not even on yet. So the sound suppression, just with the actual muffs around the ears, if you will, provide really good blockage of sound from the outside. And then with the active noise cancellation, they do even better. So we're going to record some of the audio coming out of this into a recorder or something where I can demonstrate the active noise cancellation for you. So I have my recording set up, ready to go. We have a Shure SM58, a great vocal mic, but it picks up a lot. So I'm going to use that to record directly into my laptop that I use for work. And I'm going to cup these around the SM58 to get really good audio quality, hopefully. And we will also have some audio distractors with my daughter, Madeline, right there, and also Daisy the dog. So hopefully the noise cancellation will work if they're talking and we won't hear it. Alright, so we have noise in the background. We have my daughter and Daisy. I have these up to full volume. Active noise control is off, but we'll turn it on eventually. Let's hear it full blast, recording with no audio noise canceling. Here we go. Now here's with audio noise canceling. Again without audio noise canceling. And with audio noise canceling. I'm sheltered. Just to let you know how quiet these headphones are, got Zach with Imagine Dragons Thunder going through there, and you can't hear anything. Hold up the number 2 if you can hear me. So you can't even hear it because the active noise canceling is on. So it's doing really well. So the active noise cancellation really makes a difference, not only in the sound quality as you heard earlier, but also in the fact that you can get a quiet listening experience. The headphones work great with hats, eyeglasses. If you wear glasses, they fit right over, no problem. And they're even great for those times when your children want to talk to you in an annoying way and non-stop.
Hello.
So I give the TaoTronics Active Noise Canceling Bluetooth Headphones a thumbs up. I think they're great. They're not supposed to be used in substitution for earbuds. Earbuds are their own specialty, but these are definitely great if you're going on a trip, traveling by airplane, train, anything like that. I would also use them for general music listening. The active noise control really makes a difference. It makes the sound a lot better and all-encompassing. I would definitely recommend these TaoTronics noise canceling headphones. If you'd like to purchase your TaoTronics active noise canceling Bluetooth headphones, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. You can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel, and we appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll see all future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you, and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.